Everyone watching this video. My name is Ayamachi, born and raised in Uganda. This was day 2 of our adventure to the Murchison Falls National Park. The distance from Kampala to the Murchison Park is 305 kilometers to the park. So here we were from Masindi town heading towards the Murchison Falls. And some of the things you need to know as you visit the park is all visitors will be required to present valid identification documents to confirm residence status. And then you must know that also a day's entrance ticket is valid for only 24 hours from the time of entrance. And once you get out, it means you need to pay again. In case you want to access the park again, you'll have to pay. Here we had already proceeded towards the gate and we met up with the monkeys, the baboons. They were just enjoying the road, playing and enjoying themselves. Adults, to access the park, you must pay $45 if you're an international guest, and then Ugandans 25,000 is in shillings to access the park. Hello, we're here at Murchison Falls at the gate already. Just waiting to come in. Why are you running? The non-Ugandan children pay $25. As for Ugandan children, they pay 10,000 shillings only. And then for pupils who are students, they pay only 3,000 to access the park. You'd see here the baboons, they were really enjoying their presence and the company of each other. Hello everyone, we are just here at Murchison Falls. We just arrived. We're just waiting to clear before we enter into the park. Let's go and clear with the authorities before we enter inside. There is the art shop where you can buy some things if you want. And then we have the gate and then the clearance area. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, subscribe and share the videos. Franklin, you're just stubborn. Anyway, enjoy your country for the first time and the last time.
My country, Uganda, I'm a happy
Hello. Hello. How are you doing?
Very fine.
Are you feeling fine?
Very fine. I'm enjoying my country, Africa.
Uganda, in precise. You're welcome to our country. Enjoy before you pass away. Life is short. Tomorrow you will leave. We had to set off for our journey to the Murchison Falls Park. This is not the real park We are just driving towards the park, but it's almost 87 kilometers from the gate. So as you continue the journey, you'll find some animals along the distance. You'll find them just along the roadside, like the monkeys, the baboons. At times even you may encounter snakes, elephants, and other wild animals. Here we are heading to the park through the forest, which is the largest forest in Uganda. It's called Budongo Forest. It's so huge and big, and it's full of beautiful scenery. Please, for this far you've come, don't forget to share, subscribe, share and like this video, and continue watching for more. Thank you. We are only allowed to drive in the forest for 60 kilometers per hour so that you don't cause any accidents or knock any wild animals. And the main reason for this is that they want to conserve the animals and give them good life.
So this is Budongo Forest. Budongo Forest is the largest forest in Uganda and attached to Murchison Falls. We have some baboons here on the right. On your right, they have a baby. So those ones are olive baboons. Olive baboons, they're called olive baboons because their skin is oily. It's like oil has powder on it.
Okay.
Some of the activities at the park, we have the game drive, which may go to $25 if you're a non-resident, 25,000 for Ugandans. And we have self-game drives, night drives. We have lunch trip to the bottom falls, hiking to the top falls, viewing the falls to the top.
So most of the times to warm themselves. Then after they get back to the forest. Yeah. Oh, this one has a newborn baby. Like 1 week.
Like hiking to the top of the falls is $15 for non-residents, 10,000 for Ugandans. Viewing to the top is $10,000, 10,000 for Ugandans, and then $10,000 for non-Ugandans. The other activities in this park, we have sports fishing per day, which goes for $50, 50 for East African. Then we have whitewater rafting, which will go for $50, and then 50,000 for East African residents. And then we have bird watching and nature walks, cycling. Bird watching goes for $25 for other people from the diaspora, and then 20,000 for Ugandans. And then we have cycling, which goes for 30,000 for Ugandans, and then $30 for non-Ugandans. But one thing as I was traveling through this journey, that life is what you make it. It's what you choose it, and what you associate with is what you always perceive. If you associate yourself with negative energy, that's what life will find. And then if you associate yourself with positive energy, that's what you'll get. So take off time to meditate upon your life, and then see whether what you're doing is worth it.
So this is the Western Rift Valley, a low-lying area.
Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribing. Continue liking and watch out for other videos coming for this adventure.